Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing great. Let me be very frank and honest. For the past 2 days, I'm trying to take the video for the Mad Dog lights. Trust me, this is what happens every single day. Just look at this. My God, it is raining cats and dogs. I was just waiting for at least half an hour. I left. It's now almost 6:30. I thought, okay, it's the best time. I came here and there it is. It's going to rain. I don't know what to do, guys, but I'm going to head back home. Let's see. Maybe in the next video, you would be able to see the Mad Dog lights. The climate here is very chill. The biggest problem with the GoPro is once it starts raining, it does not have waterproof. I mean, it has a waterproof. The problem is when you connect the mic, it does not have a waterproof. So that is one big drawback on the GoPro 7. Hey guys, and also I hope the mic, the audio is much better. If it is much better, I'm very happy. Once I start editing, I'll come to know. Previously I used to use a 900 rupees mic. Now I've changed it to a 500 rupees mic. I saw many people telling that this is much better, so I thought, yeah, why don't I try this? So this is a new mic setup. I hope it is not too bad. So guys, it did not rain yet, so that's one good part. So it is getting dark. I will show you on a plain ground also how the light is and on the road. So people who are just tuning in, I just want to let you know that there were some modifications done on this bike. Now I recently visited a place. You would be probably seeing that video very soon. Highlanders. I went to them and got my light fixed. So previously it was done by in JC Road. That was done in JC Road in Bangalore. So what happened is he has not given the connection properly. So I went to Highlanders. They did the connection neat and clean. What happened is I got a very good deal and I got another Mad Dog light. So now I have total 2 pairs of Mad Dog lights. So one is connected to the bright of the bike. I'll show you now. This one. The other one is this. This is to the road. So this focuses on the road. The other one are the bright. So I got a very good deal for that Mad Dog light. So I always wanted to try those Clearwater and Denali lights, but those are very expensive. Clearwaters are very expensive. Denalis are expensive. Then the best budget lights that you can get and the best lights in the market for the budget wise, when you look, Mad Dog lights, they are great. Amazing throw. These two lights have a throw of 250 meters. So that's enough of power is there. So now few of you would think, why would you require so much of lights when Dominar has a good light? See, trust me, Dominar has a very good light. Okay, I don't complain about that. But let's say if I want to go for a long ride and I'm planning to go through the guards and things like that, so definitely I would require good power lights. So that is the one reason that I have installed the Mad Dog lights. So after that I got a good deal and I thought I will never get this deal. I installed another one. I checked with the electrician over there. He said go ahead, perfect. So this almost gives, you know, that Denali lights, I won't say Clearwater lights, the Denali lights effect on the road. So they have tuned it correctly. These lights over here would focus on the ground. The one which is on the front will focus as the bright. So yeah guys, so I'll go ahead and show you the light power. It is little bright, but still this is enough, I think. So this is the you know that this is the Luvia fog lamps stand. So basically this was a little long. You would have seen the previous video, this would have been at this particular, it would have come till here. So we have gone ahead and shortened it a bit so that it looks good, and you know it works. So trust me, the main thing that they have given it wide, because if you have these lights, it will give a good throw, you know, a very good throw. So already I have another light over there, so I don't want you know this being out, and that light focus will not work out. So these are the lights. So I'll show you. This is the Mad Dog. This is the 4 LED one. This is also the 4 LED one. So these two has at least 10,000 luminous, which will hit on the road. And then you know that the Dominar light itself. This is the tank bag I've installed. This is the Gods brand, very good one. It's easy for me to keep in stuff, so that's one plus point. Clamp for the fog lamp, so that's the one also installed. So basically I got this for a good deal, so that's the reason I thought, okay, let me go ahead and take this too. And another thing, this is the ground, guys. So there are 2 people walking there, so it's fine. There are 2-3 people walking there, so I don't need to get concerned. As long as people are there, it is fine. But when people are not there, it's a concern, because in the dark you don't know who's going to come in the back and stab you and go. So we cannot trust, you know, what is going to happen here. So this is it. So let me go ahead and turn on the lights for you guys. So guys, this is the dim lights are on. So, and this is the normal bright. So I'll keep it straight. This is the normal bright, okay. This is the normal dim, okay. So see this. So now when I go ahead and put this to bright, see the throw. So if I go a bit back, I think it will work. I'll show you. Yeah, so you can see that, see the throw. So that is the distance that goes. It goes very long. Now let it get a little more darker, I'll show you. That is the one. So now I'll turn that off, and I'll turn on the these fog lights which are over here. So that's the Mad Dog switch. So this basically focuses on the road. So this is focuses on the road over here, and this is the other one. So this is how it works. So as Dominar don't have a center stand, so that's a big problem. So I'll again keep it. I'll see if I can get a rock or something over here. Okay, so this is almost the standing position. I kept the rock there. Now let's see. So the bright and the other Mad Dog light. So let's see how does it look in the front. The throw is very good, extremely powerful, and this is what you need on the roads. But please don't do it on anyone else. It's dangerous. It's attracting all the flies here. So you can see that. That's it. Now I'll show you the throw. Let's see. Shit, man, there's so much of flies. I'll just first turn it off. Here, show you the light power. Okay, so this is bright. See the throw goes till there, and this is the other light. It gives good focus on the road. So this is basically what we are looking in. Look at the power, guys. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. So I'll try to post more videos, you know, in the coming days. See, trust me, guys, it's getting worse. So I have to, you know, when I'm going out, I have to take so much of precautionary measures also. So yeah, guys, so as I say, ride safe, take care, God bless you guys, bye bye.